Today on Lone Star Grills, we're diving into a world of smoky goodness that's guaranteed to elevate your snack game. So grab a seat and get ready to fire up those taste buds. Today's smoky dip recipe starts with 1 block of cream cheese. Just begin by flattening that out. We're now going to add some flavor by adding 1/2 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, onion powder, chives, garlic powder, sea salt, and black pepper. Spread that on top and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now transfer that to a well-oiled 10-inch cast iron skillet and flatten it out evenly. Next, we'll add 16 ounces of refried beans. Now we're going to top all that with 3 cups of freshly shredded cheddar cheese. Now just top all that with fresh jalapenos and green onions, and it is ready for a smoke bath. We'll be doing today's cook on the Lone Star Grillz Pellet Smoker. This cooker offers clean, robust, offset quality smoke flavor with the convenience of a pellet smoker. We'll be doing today's cook at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so simply turn it on and set your temperature. Once preheated, get your dip on the cooker, close the lid, and allow it to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. As soon as your cheese is melted and you have bubbling caramelized edges, remove it from the cooker and allow it to cool. Now for the most important part, be sure to dig in before this is all gone, because the pitmaster gets the first taste. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.